Hi, Sam Lilly with SkreetKar 3D. Got a new box from somebody. Let's see what it is. Revopoint. The brand new Metro Ultra with that fancy kit. Okay, let's figure it out. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this guy. I just got it off of the UPS truck a few minutes ago. Opened it out of the box and let's check it out together. Okay, so it's the first time I'm seeing it. Looks like you get some scanning tips, the usual turntable. We've seen this turntable a lot. This is the same turntable that we've had with, I think we had it all the way back to the Mini 2. Just the dual access, so you can do it in the software. It'll tilt and pan, whatnot. Looks like we have cabling. So this is my scan station. This is where I scan in the garage. So this is my Metro cable right here. So I'm assuming this is exactly the same as the Metro Y Pro cable that I have. So no differences there. Same power brick that I'm actually running right there to this guy. Okay. All right, some more power cables. Looks like comes with a mobile kit. Yep. So it's their battery back. Looks like it's their mobile kit that they have had for a little while. I don't think this is a little bit different. Feels different. Feels a little bit lighter. I think the last one had like a rubberized grip. This is more like plastic, but if it works and it's lighter, I'm pretty sure they had to lighten it because this is a big boy. So some more of the mobile kit. Looks like the charger for the mobile kit. And then the quick tripod adapter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that guy back in. I don't lose anything. I probably, since I already have a Y Pro, I'm not probably gonna use these cables. I'm gonna keep those a good backup. Let's see what's in here. This is the last time I forgot what was in here. So Metro Y, similar to the Metro Y. Oh, it's got calibration results. That's neat. Okay. Billy Yang. All right, so. All right, the accuracy of the scanner has been checked. So I think that's for, looks like the ball plate, which we'll go over. This is probably the glass plate that we're already familiar with. Kind of one-handed right now. I probably won't even try to get this out right now. Let's just see. Yeah. You know what? Let's just leave that there. It's just a glass plate. That's where we align it. I don't want to put this phone down. Well, maybe I can try with my right hand. Y'all get to see me on the struggle, but all right, so I did turn off the camera. Pull that guy out. So let's go ahead and continue. All right, so this is the same glass plate as we had before. So very careful with this guy. I don't think you can replace this easily. So they have a nice dedicated location. I think that's the reason why they want you to have this metal box, is so you can't risk breaking or shattering this glass. So for the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. Down there. Okay, now we're gonna get to the scanner. First, let's get to this new thing. Looks like it has a barcode onto it. Nice looking wooden box. Kind of don't really, been cool if this was all carbon fiber, but I guess wood's okay. But that's carbon fiber. All right, do not touch. Because that's pretty important. I guess probably if you start messing with these, you can throw off the calibration and whatnot. So from my understanding, as I quickly watched some videos, you lay this down on the table. This has been calibrated. This is It has a matching calibration there, and you wave your scanner around at the location. I think you can do that right before you scan an object. So any skew with this particular device gets adjusted with this known skew or the known measurements between these 2 points. So, all right, that's pretty cool. I did touch it, but I didn't move it, so I think I'm okay. If I didn't, then sorry. I wanted to touch it. Okay, so this is the scanner. Let me switch hands. I want to accidentally drop this, just like that. Okay, so this looks exactly like the Y. I'm going to be honest. I'm a little bit more. I was more of a fan of the silver of the Y, but I mean the gold looks okay. But it looks exactly like the Y Pro. But I can't wait to try this out, see how good it scans. I'm really curious about the gold buttons. Look good. Yeah, I like the silver with the gold trim. If I had to critique it a little bit, I think the silver looked better. I'm kind of partial to silver. With the gold rings, maybe they should probably brought back the blue rings onto that, so I would have a nice color. But hey, that's just aesthetics. If it scans good, who cares? Okay, well, that's been my unboxing of the new Revopoint Y Ultra. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm also gonna try to scan it on a low-end system, which is, this is my old Surface Laptop 3. I was able to scan on my Metro Y Pro on this. It was laggy, but it worked. So I'm gonna scan on that, and I'm also gonna try to scan on my high-end Legion 5 Pro. So that should be, it's a higher end gaming laptop, and that's what I actually been using at SEMA and whatnot. So okay, well, that's been the unboxing of that guy. Look forward to other videos. Later.